Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a very tasty crispy fried chicken. It has a crispy coating with tender and juicy chicken inside. First let's make the marination. Into a bowl add some tomato sauce, pepper powder, red chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, some salt and half lemon juice. Mix everything really well. Now our marination is ready. Now let's add the chicken pieces. Here I've added around half kg of chicken. Mix the marination really well onto the chicken. Now in another bowl, take 2 eggs and beat it well. Now let's prepare the dry coating. Into a bowl add some flour. You can use all-purpose flour. Then some corn flour. Now this is the main ingredient in the coating. Add some oats. Now some salt and pepper powder. Mix everything really well. Now take each chicken piece, dip it in egg, then coat it really well with the flour. After dipping the chicken pieces in egg, use the other hand to coat it with the flour. This will help in reducing the wastage of flour. To make these chicken pieces more crispy, you can give a double coating by dipping these chicken pieces again in egg and coat it with flour. Now heat some oil to fry these chicken pieces. When it becomes a medium heat, add all the chicken pieces and fry it. As I always says, keep the heat from low to medium or else the chicken pieces will not get cooked from inside. Once it turns crispy and into a golden shade, take it out into a strainer to remove all the excess oil from it. Fry all the chicken pieces in the same way. Now our crispy and tasty chicken fry is ready. As you can see, the outer covering is so crispy and the chicken inside is very juicy and tender. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the thumb button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and do watch more interesting videos from our channel.